Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. She became so big, right? Since the last time you saw her in one of my videos, we also cut her hair. And she's so cute. 모카! 모카! 안녕! Her ears are all upside down. Well, okay. Guess what? I'm preparing my luggage because I'm going back to Italy again in just 2 months. I went back in July, the end of July, and then I came back in the beginning of August, and it's the end of September, guys, and I'm going back to my country again. And no, I don't do this because I love to waste my money in airplane ticket, but I'm getting married! Yes, I'm getting married and I'm so excited. The past 2 months I organized my wedding ceremony in just 2 months. And I don't know how I did it. I was so stressed. I also started my YouTube channel in these 2 months. I did so many things and actually I hope that after this I will have more time and my mind will be free enough to post more videos on YouTube, like maybe twice a week. I will really happy to post just twice a week. But yeah, let's see. I don't know. We will just for now. I'm just thinking about my wedding, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to go to Italy and marry my love. We are already married, actually. We did all the paper stuff in Korea. So basically, I'm already a married woman. It's so strange to say that. I don't know. Well, I will have time to discover this new life. Actually, nothing changed. We are still the same. Yeah, so come with me. I will go back to Italy again tomorrow morning. I will... Oh, my my dog just moved the camera, I'm sorry. And I will go back alone because my husband, not my boyfriend, my husband has to work, of course. Also, I need to go there for my visa application. So yeah, I'm so excited. I'm really excited. I planned everything in just a small amount of time, and yeah. My food just arrived! Woohoo! I'm so busy packing and organizing everything to go to Italy that I just ordered something really delicious, but I try to stay healthy. So I ordered the bibimbap. So let's see. Okay. This, I think it's meat. Of course, I will not eat all right now. Yes. 맛있겠다. Cookies and bibimbap. This is my favorite restaurant, eat bibimbap. Bibimbap? Well, I will mix it first and then I will show you. And then they have the bone soup. There's my favorite soup. Fantastic. I will also drink tonight. I know it's a lot of plastic, but we usually recycle them and we just throw it. Depends on the... Wait, there is the... Ah! I'm mixing. I'm making a mess. Like always. Looks fantastic. Looks amazing. You know, when I came to Korea 3 years ago, I couldn't eat spicy at all. But then I started to live here, and then if you live here, you need to eat spicy. And now I am better than most of my Korean friends in spicy level. I mean. Well, let's eat. 맛있게 먹어. Fantastic. Mm, it's fantastic. Wait, I think meat needs to be mixed too. Mm. Baba. I absolutely enjoy my lunch, but now I really need a coffee. Oh my god, I need a coffee. My Italian ass need a coffee to survive. So yeah, we make coffee now. Ah, I'm kind of feeling overwhelmed. I don't know what to do. I'm feeling overwhelmed because the thing I have to do so many things, and I also just noticed that I completely forgot to buy my contact lens. And you will say, oh, you can buy in Italy. That's true, but also when I go to Italy, I will have so many things to do. I don't think I even have the time. First of all, shocking news. Exactly 1 week before my wedding, I will just go buy my wedding dress. So let's hope that I will find something. I don't care, a dress is just a dress. And it's fine. I will find something that I like and I will put it on, and I don't know, it's all a big question mark. I don't know how it'll be. Let's hope for the best and let's drink my coffee and let's chop because I'm still didn't do anything. I just put my underwear and my pajamas in the and my wedding shoes inside, and that's it. The only thing that I have is the wedding shoes that I bought in Korea. All the other stuff, I don't have anything. Zero. Ah, delicious. I really need it. Say hi. But I guess we will figure it out when we go. My back is hurting. I'm just 28 on my back. It's already so bad. My back's up and it's hurting all the time. I have this beautiful dress. I don't know if you can see. It's just a black dress, I know. But it's really cute. Wait. This dress, mini dress, that my boyfriend gifted me from Christmas. I never had the occasion to put it, and I want to bring it, but I think again, I don't know when I can wear it. I will bring it with me, but I think that again, it would just do a trip to Italy and I will not use it. I will not wear it. But anyway, I have space in the luggage. So I can do it. I have space because I want to buy something in Italy. Because in Korea, I can find my size. The problem is that, for example, the pants, I can find my size, but they are too short for me. I have long leg and short. What is this? Chest? Not short chest, short. Okay, this side of my body is really short and my legs are really long. And I don't know why, but all the Korean pants are always like this. Kind of. So I can go with my mom, and I really miss shopping with my mom. I used to always go shopping with my mom, but now that I live here, I cannot go. Right? I miss her so much. Oh my gosh. She will be with my friend just 1 week because my husband will be in Italy only 1 week. But I have to stay in Italy for 20 days because I have to wait my freaking visa. So I will not able to see her for 20 days. I'm so she's just a baby. She needs me. But I need to finish this. I need to finish this because I have to go buy the contact lens. Let's go, let's go. We need to finish. Pali pali. We are on a date together. Muka. Mom. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Imagine if she jump in the lake. It would be really fun. I wash. I'm already wearing my pajamas. And okay, I went to grab the contact lens and I went with Mocha and we had a kind of a cute date together. We just ran in the park. I just wanted to have a beautiful last day with her. Last day, oh my god, it's not that I'm going to die, but I will not see her for 20 days. And oh my gosh, she's about to eat my food. We had a beautiful date in the park. She absolutely loved running. So we ran together. It was so fun. We had so much fun. Yeah. And now she ate, and then I shower. I wash my hair because I was stinky. It's really humid. I don't understand, really. The summer in Korea is terrible. And I have pimple here. Something fantastic. I don't understand why. I'm eating clean. I change my pillowcase every 2-3 days because I thought that this side was because of pillowcase maybe. But no, guys, I try everything, but it's not working. I still have only this side is okay, but this side I have pimple. I don't understand why. Well, never mind. And now it's time to eat. Let's see my dinner. Well, we have bread, lunch meat that I didn't finish, vegetable that I boiled 2 days ago. No, yesterday. Yesterday. And the other, it's here, and the soup. Hello. Here, balsamic, and then this is olive oil directly from my grandmother tree. She gave us 5 liters of olive oil. And then, well, whatever. I will put oil and salt on the bread, and then the balsamic on the vegetable, and then whatever. I will just eat Korean. It's a mix of Italian and Korean food, actually. And we love like that. Okay, I'm hungry. Bye. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go back Italy. My favorite class. I was so hungry.
이거는 영화가